Hello friends, I have an exciting news from Giga Berlin. To the contrary of last week's standstill, this week the activity has picked up at Tesla Giga Berlin and a lot of things are happening, and I'm going to tell you about all of that. Two trains filled with gravel have been coming to Tesla as per property in Giga Berlin, and the road construction is going at full speed. But before we start, this is Armen Harayan from torquenews.com. Please, I ask you, join our community, subscribe to our channel and ring the notification bell so you don't miss my next story about Giga Berlin, Giga Shanghai, about Tesla and about automotive sector in general. And please like this video to show your appreciation of our friends from Grunheide in Germany, where Tesla is building its Gigafactory, because these guys are helping us to bring the stories to you, and I wouldn't be able to bring these stories to you and report to you if it was not them helping us through Twitter and YouTube through their channels. So what we have today, if you have watched my morning report, which was based on videos from Tobias Lind taken yesterday we learned that Monday Tesla started building roads in Giga Berlin. We don't know if these are temporary roads just for construction or are the part of the main project. But what we have today, Tuesday, is that Tesla gravel was unloaded from the wagon outside the Giga Berlin and our area, and was transported to a spot at the Gigafactory field. Unloading almost finished, reports our friend Albrecht, who tweets at Gigafactory_4 on Twitter. Also, our friend Jürgen, who has been also helping daily with information from Giga Berlin, says, hey, look at that second Tesla train has arrived and is being unloaded at the industrial area GVZ. I don't know what GVZ is, but I assume that's an industrial area. And as Albrecht said, that these areas are outside of Tesla property, and then gravel is being brought to the Giga Berlin property to finish or continue the construction of the roads. So what we have so far, we see that yesterday they started the construction of roads inside the property. Today that construction is proceeding with full force. Two trains, the second train has come and was unloaded, and the first train they bring gravel and they unloaded the wagon outside of Giga Berlin area, and then it was transported to the spot, to the Giga Berlin field, and we have a lot of activity. So expect in the next couple of days more interesting stories and more changes coming from Giga Berlin. In the meantime, I have another story later today about the protest situations and about the issues that are going to or were going to be discussed in Giga Berlin. It's about the citizens and their citizen initiative about the Tesla factory. There's going to be a lot of interesting information there. And like this video, please, to show your appreciation of our friends, and I'll see you in our next report. In the meantime, have a wonderful rest of the day, friends. Stay safe, take good care of each other, and God bless you, everyone. See you soon.